Well, traveled with Dottie here, and here I am at the Weathers RV Park potluck. It's at noon, and we're cooking steaks and chicken and all kinds of things. Let me show you around. There's my steak, and there's Dottie reacting to all the smells. And here we are. With what everybody's got cooking. We got a little bit of everything here. And we got all sorts of goodies here. We got beans, all kinds of beans and pasta, and frozen yogurt and desserts. This is a spread, my friends. You're all going to be jealous that you're not here. So I found some, this is my contribution.
Did you bring that?
I did bring that. And they got some nice steaks there. That looks good.
I don't think I kept them in the oven long enough and all, but
No, they were.
but the green chili stew today is extra hot, just to
Okay.
give you a warning.
Just
Good.
look at what we got here. We got Charlie and Diane.
Yeah.
And what's the base there?
Pork chop.
Pork chops, and they are on their way with their new trays to the. And I am going to do the same. And I'm just going to set this down.
It didn't go out completely. Okay. It went out. We went home, so they came over and they fixed it today. But we were going to replace the heater in the new one.
Come on and get the rest of your stuff. That's perfect for this.
Isn't it?
That's what they think.
Charlie, you think I can get enough on my tray to feed me for a week?
I think. Yeah, you've got the extra deep.
Oh, yeah. More beans.
Yeah, I think it's done. I'll be there in a second.
Beans, beans, and beans.
Yeah.
That way they won't run on the plate.
Yeah.
Dottie, I thought I had you lashed down. I guess not. Come here, dog. Come here. Get up. Dottie, come here. You weren't supposed to do that. You weren't supposed to escape. Did you unlock it on your own?
The truth about it is that you can't taste the beef. Yeah. Chicken.
You escaped, didn't you? Crazy dog. Well, let me get one more thing and I'll be back and I will share with you, I promise. Stay. Well, Dottie escaped.
Spicy, but good.
Well, that's right, you know.
Carla Basitas. You like squash?
Did you get them beans?
Well, this is my spread. And as I was saying to Charlie, I think this will keep me fed for quite a while. Look at the size of that steak. We got beans, we got vegetables, and a little cobbler for dessert. I'm gonna try this one more time. I got some footage of people and the band and I didn't have the record button on, so it's on now. And we still got plenty of food left here.
Yeah, it's a little town just north of Harlingen.
I bet Jerry will know it.
I came up and recorded you, and I didn't have the record button on, so I'm back
well, that
again.
was good. That was a good deal then. All right, I'll play something else then.
Now, I was going to call that the Airstream Blues.
Yeah,
What-
that
what-
was the kind of blues for sure.
Well, I got my little
That's very good, thank you.
Thank you.
So this time I remembered to press the record button. I'm proud of myself. And Dottie still has not eaten my steak, so that's a good sign. Dottie, you need to stay there. Did you see she escaped?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't get to do the closing. I don't know why I didn't do it out there, but Dottie and I are back in the rig, and I just wanted to thank you for watching the video. That was Dottie's reaction to having a lot of steak. I shared a lot of steak with Dottie, didn't I, Dottie? and she's ready for bed. And we will see you tomorrow in the next video. Take care.